Hi everyone, how are you all doing? My name is Reme and I am the creative director at Stylebyreme. So today I am here to let you guys know that we now have a bustier making class. Now this class contains several different bustiers in one place. I have a beginner's class that have been running for over a year now, and most times when students finish taking that class, they ask me what class can I register for again, and I just always refer them to YouTube. I say go to YouTube and continue practicing before you even think of corset. You should understand how to go about bustiers before attempting any corset, because after my beginner's class, every other thing I have is just like corsets and advanced classes. So due to popular demand, I have created a bustier class, and this class is going to contain different types of bustier. So we have the two bustier, which is what we have here. So in this class, I'm going to show you guys how to make a two bustier, from the pattern drafting to the ironing process to the padding process to the sewing process. You guys are going to be seeing every single part of me working on all of this in the class, in this particular class. Then we are going to also see an off shoulder bustier. We are going to also learn how to make a shoulder dart bustier. In this class, you will learn how to make a princess dart bustier that has a shoulder, and also a princess dart bustier that is off the shoulder. Also in this class, I'm going to be giving you guys a bonus video where I will show you guys how to attach yoke to your bustiers, whether it is a normal yoke or a deep yoke. So you can see all the plenty things that are going to be taught in this class. So for this month of March, which is the first time that we are launching this course, the fee is 12,000 naira. And by next month, we're going to definitely review and increase the prices, because we have a lot of things that are going to be taught in this particular class. So if you would like to register, the WhatsApp number is on the screen, and you can just send us a WhatsApp message and we'll send you information on how to register for this particular class. Like I said, there is a lot for you guys to learn in this class, and I will tell you, if you do not understand bustier, do not rush to go over and start trying to practice corsets. Bustier is the foundation for corset, in my opinion. If you know how to make bustiers very well, corset will be very easy for you. So that's why I have created this particular class. Now, apart from this new class that we are adding, which is the bustier making class, we have other classes as well. We have the cupped corset class, which is only 4,000 naira, and this class is the one I always encourage people who are trying to make corset for the very first time to pay for. Just 4,000 naira is just like you testing the waters with that. Now, if you've understood how to make a basic cupped corset, then I can now refer you to other corset classes that I have. For example, the next class that I have is the corset masterclass. Now, this class contains a lot of things. In this class, I taught you guys how to make a cupped corset. The cupped corset video will be part of that class. I'll show you guys how to make a corset dress with yoke. In that class as well, I'm going to show you guys how to make an underbust corset, how to make a Victorian corset, and also how to make a corset that has a very deep yoke. So I showed you guys all of these in the corset master class. Another class that I have is the transparent corset class. Now, the transparent corset class contains everything relating to the making of a transparent corset from start to finish, which is what you're going to be seeing on the screen right here. So in this class, I showed you guys how to go about everything relating to the making of this particular transparent corset that you see on the screen. This class is only 7,000 naira. Also, I have the wedding, I call it wedding slash asoebi dress class, more like a traditional wedding asoebi dress class. This is where I showed you guys how to make a transparent corset from start to finish. Also, I showed you guys how to go about fabric placement, how to go about draping your wrapper design or whatever design of wrapper you want to have for most of the wedding dresses that we see these days. I showed you guys how to go about beading, how to add a yoke to your transparent corset, and all of that. Now, this is a full class, and in this class, you're going to learn how I made this dress from start to finish. Another class that I have is the beginner's class. Now, this is a class that I have created for people who are trying to learn to sew for the very first time. You have never sewn before, this is the class for you. In this class, you will learn how to draft basic bodice patterns for a blouse, for a gown, for a short. The most basic of short is what we made in this class. Very basic short. I'm going to show you guys how to make a pencil skirt, how to make a circle skirt, and how to go about making sleeves. These are like the basics of fashion design. If you understand how to go about basic bodies, how to go about a half scale bodies and all of that, trust me, moving forward from there would be easy. Now, apart from this, I have the inbuilt corset class. This class, I showed you guys how to go about making a mermaid skirt dress. I showed you guys how to have like make the upper part of your blouse look as if it's transparent. Basically, everything you see in this picture is what we are going to be teaching in that particular class. That class is currently 10,000 naira and registration is ongoing as it's at the moment right now. I don't know if there's any other class I have not mentioned, but there are several classes that we have available, but the new one we are adding is the Bustier class, which is one that I'm very, very happy about, because I feel like this is like the next stage for people who have finished taking beginners class, who have learned to an extent and are thinking of moving forward. You should know how to make bustiers before even attempting to go about corsets. Okay, if you want to register for any of the classes that I just listed, just send us a WhatsApp message through the number on the screen and we're going to send you more information on how to register. So like I said before, this is an online class and these are paid classes, and trust me, they are very, very detailed. So thank you so much, guys. I cannot wait to respond to you guys and see you guys in class.